100 Florida winner. And moving on to the finals, the San Miguel Beermen. At ang PBA, mag-uumpisa ang ating Best of 7 Title Series sa darating na linggo, July 13 dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Game number 1 of the Best of 7 Title Series of the TNT Throwback Tag Team versus the San Miguel Beermen will take on at